The House of Amrun. What a view for a 13-hour harvest full moon birthing fire. Are you called to be part of the evolution of the worlds? This pilgrimage in the heart of Donegal offers a wonderful opportunity for personal and planetary healing. This area is steeped in ancestral lore with deep connections to the Second Battle of Moitura and to the visionary gateway of the West and the sun god Lu. We will sing into the dragon lines, the energy grid of the earth, during a 13-hour ceremony to stand up for life, creating space in the worlds and supporting a shift in the tipping point from extinction towards evolution. There is space for 9 pilgrims who are called to celebrate their wild nature, connect deeply with the natural world, the ancestors, the Fae, and their own authentic selves. There is opportunity to participate in a beautiful rebirthing ceremony on the wild Atlantic Way. Wander into thin places, including a fairy fort, a holy well, woodland groves, ancestral burial mounds, a fairy hill, and more. I will be bringing the grandmother drum to sing her song, and we will connect our hearts to hers and to the heartbeat of the Earth Mother. An added bonus, we are blessed to have a gourmet chef amongst our party who has offered to prepare 5 evening meals as part of the costs for this gathering. With cleansing and purification ceremonies, a quest day, and a deep connection to what I call raw, participants will be inspired to re-dream away, rebirth away, reweave away, reclaim away, remember away, to be an active participant in the evolution of the worlds.